time. So last 2 minutes to go to close out. It's actually turned out to be a good session because now all the indices are in positive territory for what it's worth, including the Nifty. 24 up on that index, and the recovery has happened because there was some repair job on the banking side of the market. Not all, but I mean the divergence really helped other names like SBI, like Kotak Mahindra Bank. They've done better, even Axis for that matter. They've done better than HDFC Bank, which is where the problem continues to be. So the screen is green. I'll start with the green side. The big PSU boys, ONGC, Coal India, BPCL, they were the big leaders today. Some good buying on Tata Motors, on ITC, on Asian Paints. Already mentioned the gaining banks. And then actually even Hero MotoCorp was up and about Titans. I guess there's quite a bit of buying on the so-called consumer side of the screen today, going beyond FMCG. The losers, FMCG, Pharma was out of favor today. Most of the names like Divi, Cipla on the lower side, and Tata Consumer down about 2%.
Well, there are hopes of divestment getting into the budget and some talk on that front. SCI locked in upper circuit, 20%. I think midway through the trading session, you couldn't trade it because it was locked. SCI Land and Assets, well, that was up another 15%. IRDA, valuation-wise expensive. Street seems to suggest that maybe there's a bigger story playing out here. Stock up more than 10%. EIL, how do you justify these valuations? Street believes they can. The stock is up closer around 10%. Gujarat Pipavav up closer around 8%. So quite a few of these names did very, very well. And the reason I'm highlighting these stocks is because they moved up on massive volumes in today's trading session. Just a quick word. I think we should get Gokul Das exports in the last 3 minutes or so. Massive block takes place. More than 40 lakh shares getting traded out there. And I think it was at a price around 950. So we'll have to check out to see who were the buyers on this one, who were the seller, but it's going to be an important one out there. And one stock that's come back to life in this week, which we had highlighted earlier this week as well, is ITC. It's moving from strength to strength, playing catch up with some of its peers, and also valuation-wise, still a little bit palatable.
Absolutely. So those were the winners of the day, and largely a good day for the street. With that, it's curtains on this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you very much for watching. But we have a big budget exclusive lined up for you, the CNBC-TV18 Budget Town Hall coming up next.